This is the latest compact thermal rifle scope from Pixra. They call it Cetus, and it's aptly named after a fearsome mythological monster as well as a star constellation. And this one might just become a star for you, because Cetus will do everything that a traditional thermal rifle scope will do, but less is more. Because Cetus, well, it won't weigh you down for a start, and that weight is closer to you on the rifle, so your rifle is better balanced, and it places all the controls immediately in front of your eye. But what makes the Cetus a winner for many is that Pixra, who are already widely recognised for outstanding value, haven't only reduced the size and weight of this thermal scope, they've really cut back on the price tag too. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks, and we represent Pixra in the UK and Ireland. I review, unpack and get out in the field to test, compare and demonstrate how to get the most from all kinds of thermal and night vision gear to help you get to grips with your tech and choose what to place on your wish list. Now, importantly for the budget conscious Cetus, it comes with everything you need, including a quick release mount. And because Cetus is smaller, it can be accommodated on a broad range of rifles and air guns. Before we go into the different options available, I just need to mention one thing, and that is the cleverness of this control wheel. It's all you need to operate everything in the menu and digitally zoom. And you do it all with just one finger. It's so simple there is no learning curve. The Cetus, well, it's totally intuitive, it makes perfect sense, and it all works like a dream with clear and common sense guidance on a huge 0.5 inch 1600 by 1200 OLED display. A quick tap to scroll through all your image control options and your zeroing profiles that Pixra have cleverly allowed you to name for different rifles, while a long tap is where you can zero the Cetus, change your reticles, connect it to your phone, set up recoil activated video and view your video gallery, plus so much more besides. There are 4 different Cetus thermal scopes, so it doesn't matter if your priority is magnification, close range, long range, field of view, or just the best image quality. There is a Cetus for you if you're after a thermal that's really compact, and they start with a Cetus C650. It has a 256 by 192 sub 18 millikelvin sensor that punches above its weight for those that shoot at close range, and that makes it ideal on an air rifle. A 25mm lens with 3.5 times native magnification. This one will focus down to just 2 meters and has a 1300 meter detection range. The next step up in specification is the Cetus C335, a more capable 384 by 288 sub 15 millikelvin sensor through a 35mm lens with 4.1 times magnification. It can focus down to 3 meters, but that bigger sensor delivers more range capability. But if it's range and adaptability for more varied shooting situations, there's the Cetus C635. It comes equipped with a 640 by 512 sub 15 millikelvin thermal sensor, a 35mm lens which has the widest field of view in the range at 12.5 degrees, and that makes it ideal to acquire your target and check what's around the shot. 2.5 times native magnification with more pixels to play with means clearer digital zooming on this model. It'll focus from just 3 meters up to a detection range of 2,300 meters. And finally, there's this. This is the Cetus C650. Again, it has a more powerful 640 by 512 sub 15 millikelvin sensor, but with a bigger 50mm lens for 3.6 times native magnification. It focuses down to 5 meters and will detect something the size of a stag at 2,600 meters. Now, every model of the Pixfra Cetus is IP67 rated, with a solid magnesium alloy body. It's built to withstand the recoil of calibers up to 0.375 H&H, and temperatures from -30 to +50 degrees. There's a really smart battery compartment in here. for standard 18650 batteries. Dead easy to swap out in the field, and they'll last for up to between 4.5 to 5 hours depending on the model. Now we will be testing the Cetus in the field, so subscribe and watch this space. In the meantime, if you've a question, then just drop a comment below or check out the full specification for the different Pixfra Cetus compact thermal rifle scopes at pixra.com. Thanks for watching.